Welcome back to another video of AWS Basics to Advanced series. So in this video, we will see how we can create an AWS free tier account. So you need to open a tab and you need to search for create AWS account. And you need to open the first link only, get started for free today. And you will see a screen like this. Click. So either you can click here, create a free account, or you can also go from here. So let me open this. So now in the first phase, you need to enter your email ID. And secondary, you need to enter your mail. So let I write my name, that is Nirbhay Singh. So now I have entered both the things. So now I will click on verify email address. So it will be sending a verification code at my email. So let me open my Gmail. So here I can see there is a verification code, which I will simply copy and come here and I will paste it. Now it is asking for me to enter a password for my account. So let me enter that. So I pasted my password and I will click on continue. So in this page, it is asking for how do you plan to use AWS. So if you are creating this for business, so you can select business. So I am creating for my personal use. So I will selecting personal and I will write my name here. And secondary, you need to enter your phone number by selecting your country, and you need to provide your address, your city, your state, and your postal code. So after you have filled your all details, at the bottom of the page you need to select this I have read and agreed to the terms of the AWS customer agreement and click on agree and continue. Now on this page it will be asking for your card information. So you need to provide your debit card or credit card detail, and you need to provide your month and year of expiry for your card, your CVV code, and card holder name, whatever the name that has been printed on your debit or credit card, that you need to provide here. So here you will be seeing a checkbox. If you select that, it will save your card and it will charge you automatically for further payments. So I will be keeping this unselected. Now below you will be seeing your billing address, and it is asking whether do you have a PAN. So you can either select yes or no. So I will be selecting yes only. So I need to provide my PAN number here also. So after you have filled all your details, you can simply click on verify and continue step 3 of 5. So now it will take you to payment page. So now you need to provide the OTP that you have received on your phone, that will cost you 2 rupees. So after entering your OTP, you need to simply click on confirm. So on this page, AWS will ask you to confirm your identity. So in the first, you can select any. I will be selecting here for personal use. And secondary, you need to select your ownership type. So as it is for individual, so I will be selecting individual. If you want to select any other, you can. Once you have selected your type as individual, you need to select your document type, that can be your PAN card, voter ID, driving license, or password. So I will be selecting here PAN card. You need to provide your date of birth, your PAN number, and your name will be displayed here. You need to upload your front of your PAN card. So once you have entered all your details and uploaded your document, so you need to select this I consent to allowing AWS and select on this continue step 4 of 5. So on this page, it will ask you to confirm your identity again. So here you need to select your country and enter your phone number. So once you have entered your detail, you need to click on send SMS, and it can ask for a security verification. So there you need to enter that CAPTCHA and click on submit. Now after entering the OTP that you may have received on your phone, you need to click on this continue step 4 of 5. So here you need to select a support plan. So I would advise to only go with basic support plan, as it is more than enough for a new learner. And scroll down and simply select complete sign up. So now you will be seeing a congratulations means your account has been successfully created. So you can simply click on go to AWS management console, and you can see now we have successfully logged into our AWS management console, and at the top of the page my name is also displaying here. So for your information, sometimes your account activation would take around 1 day also. So suppose now you want to use your account in another browser. So how you can do? So for that you need to simply search aws.amazon.com and hit enter. And at the top you need to select on this sign in. And here on the bottom of the page you will be seeing sign in using root user email. So you need to click on this. So just for your information, it is not a good practice that you should use your root email for your login. Instead of you should be creating and using I am user, that I will be showing you in another video. So here you need to enter your email address from which you have registered. Once you have entered your detail, click on next and enter your password and click on sign in. Now it is asking to secure your device. So if you want to enable two-step verification, you can enter any device name and select that mechanism. Let's say you want to enable two-step authentication by using your Google Authenticator or Microsoft Authenticator. So you can select this Authenticator app and you can select next. So currently I am skipping this for now. So if you find this video helpful, you can like and subscribe, and if you have any doubts, you can simply comment in the comment section. Till now, bye bye.